The last person you think about before sleeping is the reason for your happiness or pain. A girl who likes you might blush around you or avoid eye contact as she's nervous. If she's shy, you might notice her voice becoming quieter or not as clear when she's around you. She will surely love you if she laughs at things you say, even when they're not very funny. Men tend to lower their tone when talking to someone they love. But a woman who wants you will smile whenever she talks to you or when you're talking to her. Sometimes the people who don't talk to you are the ones that really want you. There are two types of people who can't look you in the eyes: those trying to hurt or lie, and those trying to hide a love. If a girl loves you and is shy, she might go completely silent in your presence, but she really likes you. When she's with other people, she can talk normally and joke around. Women have a better memory capacity than men, and it's normal for them to remember things from the past in maximum detail. If a friendship lasts longer than 7 years, it's dangerous. Be aware of the person who keeps praising you all the time, as it can be dangerous. Being alone for a long time is bad for your health, equivalent to smoking 15 cigarettes a day. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.